Thank you so much, guys, to all of our media partners here, our partners, and also co-workers from Honor Philippines. Thank you so much. The biggest raffle draw of any smartphone brand is now awarded to Miss Doreen Pelonia. So ma'am, congratulations to your Honor X95 kasi ang iyong smartphone ay now isang Tesla Cybertruck.
Hindi ko maintindihan yung nararamdaman ko kasi medyo shock pa. Hindi pa nagtitigil